I'm Jen with The Travel Women, and 2018 was a huge year, a lot of change, and here are my best and worst moments of 2018. Welcome to New York City. I'm Jen. Today I will be your guide, and I am here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, here in Quebec City, Canada. The year is 1926, 1833, 1958. Here with Lufthansa in the Frankfurt airport, in the machine that actually pushes back the plane. Cannon with 2 Indian models here in Prague, and I'm staying at the Dancing House. This iconic building is gonna be my hotel. Such a cool place to stay here in Prague for a quick minute before I go on my road trip. This is actually my 4th time in Jamaica, but this one is special. I'm here in Ocho Rios, and we are traveling to Kingston the next couple of days because we are here for Carnival. So if you're a New Yorker, you probably want to stop watching right about now. This is an empty apartment tour, which is a really rare thing to be able to do in New York. My last couple of apartments have been fully furnished, and I have been subletting, so it's actually kind of impossible to do if you're subletting. Is the perfect conference. It is all about women and travel, and I'm actually speaking. I'm so honored to be here speaking about virtual reality and 360 and how it is changing the travel industry. One of my top performing videos is the coolest cruise dining experience. A food tour later on to try some local delicacies, from maple syrup to nougat to chocolate to poutine, which I haven't had before. Can you believe it?
Yeah, now traditionally you're actually supposed to stir it and mix it all together.
But it's too pretty! At the Chocolate Museum.
Com'è?
So good.
Is it? Buona? You got sugar all over.
So full. So full. I'm crashing from the sugar rush.
We ate so much food
I know
and dessert. You've got a whole stretch of Indian restaurants and colorful, vibrant stores. Carnival weekend, we are shooting all day and all night. We're in Brno right now. We are starting off with a bang. We are doing a helicopter ride for sunrise. So I'm about to take this epic road trip, all of Bohemia, Czech Republic, and I have a confession to make. Real quick. I am a New Yorker at heart. I don't really drive. So driving is something that I, grew up doing. Obviously, I have a driver's license, but I haven't driven, like really driven in years. So the driving part was so much easier than I thought it was. I was definitely overthinking it. Love this green car. So cute. I am getting in that car.
Jen, you're looking fabulous.
Thank you.
Oh, look at all the girls in the car. Oh my god.
So many.
I love it.
I feel like a princess.
Yeah, right. Thank you so much for watching my year of 2018. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button so you don't miss a future video. As always, say yes to new adventures, and I'll see you next time. Bye.